Welcome back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button, because I make videos 3 times a day. So check out all the videos from today, yesterday, and on all the playlists. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to do a review on the Choice Hotels Visa signature card from Barclays. Okay, now I know some of you guys don't like Barclays, but a lot of you guys do as well, and you guys wanted me to do some more travel credit card reviews, so we're going to get into this, the perks, the benefits, what I think about it, what I like, what I don't like. We're going to try to keep it between 8 to 10 minutes long. You guys want to stay with me the whole way because I'm going to be dropping data points. But before I do all that, just want to give a huge thank you for all of you first-time viewers. Thank you so much for trusting me with your time. I don't take it for granted. Our whole channel here is all stuff and no fluff, full of comments in the comment section to answer your credit questions. So if you have a question, comment below about credit. We'd love to help you. And then just give you data points on this product of what people have had, what their experience is, any tips, tricks, hacks, all of that. So definitely throw your comment in the comment section, whether it's a concern, opinion, a data point, whatever it is, and then smash the like button and hit that subscribe button, because you can always unsubscribe. I promise you won't regret it. And then for all of you out there that haven't joined the private Facebook group, do so, because it is blowing up in the Facebook group. We're getting ready to do live streams, daily tips, tricks, and hacks in there. Entire community trying to empower each other. And then add me on Instagram at Radical Marketer. Send me your credit question and follow me on Instagram for the latest updates. And I'm going to be doing a lot of giveaways and things on Instagram exclusively, so make sure you follow me at Radical Marketer right there. All right, folks, let's get into the Choice Hotels Visa signature card. Now, as of right now, they're doing a 32,000 point bonus. It's pretty much 4 nights free at a select Choice Hotels. I like that this is going to be no annual fee. So you having this card, you're never going to have to pay to keep it, okay? Let's go over some of the perks of it. No annual fee. Earn 32,000. That's the bonus points. Earn 8,000 anniversary points every year you spend 10,000 or more on purchases. You may get that, you may not. The nice thing is I'm going to kind of dive deep into the membership levels. I'm going to talk about the Barclay data points and if this is a card to go after or not and why you may want to. Earn 5 points on every dollar spent at Choice Hotels. Pretty solid on points and on hotels. 2 points on every dollar spent on all of the purchases. And you're going to enjoy Elite Gold status and earn 10% bonus points every time you book a qualifying stay at Choice Hotels. And yeah, so that's going to basically be that. Now, what is Choice Hotels? So you guys can see, it's basically going to be Comfort Inn, Sleep Inn, Quality Inn, Clarion, Budget, Echo No Lodge. They're very economy-friendly hotels, motels. When you're on the road and you're just getting tired and you want to pull over somewhere but you don't want to sleep in your car, this would be a nice card to be able to get some really quality stays for dirt cheap. If you're doing road trips, you're doing blogging, vlogging, it's a good card to have in your wallet because it's a good place to get a good night's sleep. And yeah, I mean, if you're doing anything where you're on the road, trucking, vlogging, things like that, courier service, whatever the case is, and you're around the country and you're driving a lot, this could help you out a lot and save you a lot of money, so you don't have to stay in your car. But obviously staying in your car is always cheaper. So basically those are going to be the hotels. Now, the membership levels are going to be easy. When you get this card, you're going to come in as a gold member, and you basically have to, you're always going to be a gold member. So if you stay 7 nights a calendar year, you're going to be gold. But check this out. If you get some of those free nights, you can knock this down to 11, get it platinum, and just stay 11 nights a year or 15 nights a year, and you're going to be platinum. You're going to get 25% bonuses on your points. So the points that you get with using your card, and then you're going to get bonuses on top of that as well. Gift cards, and then the diamond level, 50% bonus points, and then you can roll over nights if you don't use them, which is nice as well. Now, the nice thing about this is diamond status, platinum status, those statuses work into other things like Wyndham, you name it, Avis, things like that. Basically, status just says you're really loyal to a company, and other companies are going to fight for your business where they're going to automatically let you have status with them to try to take you away from Choice, to have you stay with them for the night at Wyndham or Marriott or Hilton, things like that. So I like Choice as far as what it is. I mean, it's not glamorous hotels, or some of them can probably be nasty, but pretty good value right there. Okay. Now, let's go over to the Barclays side of things and talk about this briefly, and then I'm going to give you my 2 cents on it because we're not going to keep this video going long. So obviously you earned the 32,000 points, earned 5 points. We already went over that. Okay. I do like this. So Barclays also offering a 0% APR on balance transfers, 0% for APR for 15 months when you make it within 45 days. Now, let me tell you how this is going to work because I'm pretty familiar with Barclays because I have them. I've never had a starting limit under $10,000 to begin with. So $10,000 cash advance option is going to be high on the card as well. You can redeem the points for free months. So this right here, if you need a 0% APR on balance transfer card and you're doing travel, this could be good for you. Your points never expire. What else we got here? And members get exclusive rates and discounts and all that good jazz going in your inbox. You'll get hit up by that. So the downside of Barclay, and another thing is if you're in a trade line business, this could be a good card as well because it will report the entire history to your clients if you're doing the trade line business. Barclay is great. Their cards are great for that. Let's talk about the negatives of Barclay. Now, I'm going to put this in the playlist channel with Barclay, but basically with Barclay, they have their own 524 rule they won't expose, but I know firsthand I was denied for a Barclay card the other day, believe it or not. I was like totally offended when everybody else was approving me. Barclay said no, and I have a $30,000 limit with one of their cards as well, so I have a good relationship with Barclay. But they have their own 524. They don't want to see any they don't want to see more than 5 personal accounts opened in the last 24 months. That applies for authorized user. That applies for lines of credit. They said that was the reason why I was denied. So they are more concerned about the 524 rule that they have, no more than 5 accounts in 24 months, taking that Chase model over to Barclays. And they are also inquiry sensitive. So if you've had 2 or 3 inquiries on TransUnion, they use TransUnion, by the way, for their hard pulls. So their hard pulls will be TransUnion. If you've had 2 or 3 hard pulls in the last 6 months, you may be denied. Most definitely denied for more than 3 for sure. Sorry about my cat running in the background, guys. It's just part of doing these videos. But that's going to be, they're going to pull from TransUnion, no more than 5 and 24. The other thing is that you can do product changes with their cards as well. So if there is different cards that you want, not product changes, but if there's credit allocation, you want to move your limit from this card to another card and close this out one day, you can do that. Overall, what's my opinion on Choice? I wouldn't get it unless you're doing a lot of on-the-road travel. It's a 0 annual fee card. It's going to come with a decent limit on it. It's a Visa signature card, which is nice. You're going to be able to really get status with a hotel chain. I like that. I think it's a B card. I think if you're going to travel around the country and you have room for it and your TransUnion looks good and you haven't had a lot of accounts open in 24 months and you don't want any Chase cards, then go for it. It's a pretty good card. But other than that, I'm not going to get it anytime soon. There's other cards that I'll be pursuing. But you guys asked me to do a review on this Choice credit card, so that is the review. Put in the comment section whether you like it, whether you don't like it. Do you like Choice hotels? Which one's your favorite? Put your favorite question for credit in the comment section so I can get that answered for you. I try to answer all within 24 hours. Join the private Facebook. Watch all the videos from the day. Watch the playlist. Watch the ones from yesterday. Join the private Facebook and the Instagram, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Salute.